Welcome back to Task Force Offroad, everybody. My name is George. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2019 SEADOO GTX 155. This is one of the many projects that is on the channel from time to time, and today we are installing SEADOO's cup holder and fish rod support bracket. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, now the first step in this is obviously removing the seat, which I've already done, and then removing the fender, which I've also already done. I've done this in a different video to more detail, and I'll show you without any narration me doing it in this video as well. But now we're on to the actual installing. So at first, I didn't know this is technically a retrofit, so I kind of thought I had to figure this out for myself. Nope, SEADOO makes templates that is on instructions.brp.com. So I just cut out the first template, and now I'm gonna tape it into place, and that's what you guys will be seeing next. All right, guys, so SEADOO being SEADOO in their infinite wisdom only put that on one side, and we'll be drilling from the back. So I just went ahead and transferred that over with a pencil really quick, and I'm gonna tape this guy up so it doesn't move. Now, I will be using a step bit, but this needs to be drilled out to 3/8. I'm gonna start them all with support, and then I will remove the fairing. Now that they're all started, let me take this thing up and drill from a better angle. Now that I got those drilled, I'm just gonna mock this up. I mean, there's not really mocking up at this point. So it's full send or not at this point because the holes are drilled. Grab our support bracket here, and survey says I need to go a little bit bigger from this side. That's what survey is telling me because they should fit on the back. Yeah. Okay. We drilled out a hair more from the front side. Not a problem. So from here, guys, I just have to screw it in. Super easy. All right, so now we just need to take 3 of the stainless steel bolts SEADOO gave us. They're an 8mm, and screw this guy into place. Now I will admit this would be a lot easier if I had like a bench or something. Use hand tools, guys. You're just screwing this guy into plastic. So I strongly suggest using hand tools when screwing this into place. As you tighten that guy down, it gets sucked tight, nice and in. Now we just need to get the bottom support into place. All right, guys, when drilling out the bottom support, this is the template you're gonna be using. Now this circle is your reference point. This reference point is going to be on either side, either the circle that's here or the little bung that's there for your knee pad, for the ergo-lock knee pad. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out, and I'm gonna show you what that's gonna look like. All right, so now when applying this template, we can use our reference point, slide it over our reference point. Okay, there we go. And you'll also notice, I'll give you a little close up here, that the dotted line goes up and around this support here. So that's how you know you're also in the correct place. So these 2 holes are gonna be on either side of that. So we're gonna go ahead and start this. Actually, I'm gonna tape this down as well, just for safety. That's plenty. All right, let's send her. And again, we'll open it up on this side. Take the template off, clean it up. Perfect. And now, this guy should slot right into place. Same as before, guys. 2 screws. Well, sort of the same as before. 2 screws instead of 3. You knew what I meant. This one's gonna be considerably more of a pain in the butt, though, I'll tell you right now. Because, A, I'm not working on a bench. Make sure you can see. And C, I just skipped B. A, I'm not working on a bench, and B, there's only 2 holes, so it's going to want to torque itself around. while we're cutting these threads into place. All right, and that is that. That is the finished installation. So now, we can go ahead and put this back on the jet ski. Got our push pin on the top. And a screw on the bottom. Be careful. That's just going into fiberglass. Make sure you hand finish that guy up. That's good. Perfect. Now look at that. No, that's not too shabby. Okay guys, that is all for today's episode on installing the cup holder on the SEADOO. It's been a couple days and it's now all tidied back up, but it was super easy. I hope this video helps you guys out because SEADOO's instructions are always awful. So hopefully this made your lives a little bit easier. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you that subscribes and watches the videos continuously. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.